It-extraposition with object clauses. Let's consider the sentence. Mary called William's behavior rather odd. So if we analyze the sentence, we find 32 noun phrase, that is the subject, verb, and then noun phrase. And then this noun phrase is direct object, or it can have an adjective phrase, and it can also have a predicate, complement, and adjective complement. The adjective phrase realizes the grammatical function of PC and AC as seen, and OD may also be realized by a clause, an object clause. For example, we regretted that she arrived so late. So that she arrived so late is our direct object, and it's a sentence bar. Now let's consider 34. We called that she arrived so late. If we look at this sentence, it's a very clumsy sentence. Its style can be improved if we arrange it in a following way. And you look at the 35th sentence, we call it very regrettable that she arrived so late. And now in 35, this sentence sounds very impressive, right? What we have done is that we have shifted the direct object with it. So it has also become the object. This is the grammatical object, but the notional object of the sentence is that she has arrived, that she arrived so late. So there are two objects. We use symbols small do for this grammatical and capital do for this notional object. So 34 and 35 have the same meaning. If we compare their structure, we see that 35 is the result of it-extraposition. We have again applied the two-step procedure which we have been using before. Extrapose the object clause, shift it to the right, insert the it in the vacated place. We call it very regrettable that she arrived so late. So you can look at this structure. What we have done is that we have placed the object clause to the right position, and the vacant place is filled with it. So it's also an example of it-extraposition for the object clause. So it is the placeholder for the extraposed object clause. It is the grammatical or anticipatory object of it called, and that is the notional object of the sentence or the verb. The grammatical object is label OD, which is object, direct object, to distinguish it from normal object, which is in capital, as I just said. The structure of 35 may also be summed up as follows: NP as subject, verb, then followed by it, OD small, and adjective, and then we may have adjective phrase or predicate nominative or adjunct, and then we have sentence bar, which is actually the notional object, which is direct object of the sentence, as we have just seen. We have pointed out that there are alternative analysis for sentences with so-called complex transitive verbs. So with transitive verbs, we can make certain experiment to fill the a different position of subject, of direct object, or in complex verb. So we can have a lot of types of sentences. So these sentences actually bring things into focus.